So I might be bragging too much about this robot, but I mean, there's pretty much nothing I can do about it if every single day, or at least every single week, I see profits coming and coming and coming. Now, this week is the first week of October. We're October 6th. And we are already in an insane profits of 4.54%. Last month, we were close to 10. And this month seems like we're just gonna overpass that very easily. So in this specific video, what I wanna do is share with you the robot that can make you or that has made me $11,000 without trading at all. Yep, that's the best Forex robot for 2025. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm gonna share with you the best robot for 2025 by far, no questions asked. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. Now, I wanna give you a warning before I even start with this video. And the warning is that this is not financial advice, okay? What I'm sharing right here is basically my personal experience, my personal opinion, and more importantly, my personal results. This does not guarantee that you're gonna have the exact same results, better results, worse results. It doesn't guarantee anything. All I'm doing is sharing with you a tool that I'm using, and maybe you wanna use it too. It's pretty much like using a hammer. Probably a handyman can use a hammer 10 times better than myself, and probably, I don't know, my girlfriend can actually use makeup way better than myself, but the tool is the exact same thing. So what I'm sharing right now is the tool. You can go ahead and use it whatever you want to, but one thing I can tell you is that these results that I'm going to share with you are a common result combined with a bunch of other people who are using the exact same tool. So yeah, warning right there, not financial advice, trade carefully, and yeah, we're good to go. Now, what's this robot that I'm actually talking about? It's actually this one right here. I literally have it on this computer right now, but in the screen, you can see the MyFX book actual website or profile. But basically what the robot is an MT4 application, MT4 expert advisor, that what does is that it actually trades automatically into your account. It could be a demo account, it could be a real account, it's really up to you, but it trades automatically into your account. The way it works is that it actually trades within a certain amount of time, which is 7 a.m., 9 a.m. New York Standard Time, all the way to 11 a.m., maybe like 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. New York time. And it basically trades at that time because that's when the New York market opens actually happen. And it trades with two different assets, which is US 30 and US 100. It looks for breakouts on those specific pairs and it places trades, does trailing stop, closes the take profit or stop loss. It pretty much does everything for you, 100% automated. All you got to do is pretty much just drag the indicator or the expert advisors into your chart and select what lot size you want to use. That's dependent on your balance, and that's it. The robot will do everything for you. So yeah, that's what it is. If we go ahead and take a look at this month's results, because look at what's happening during the last few months. You already know that these months right here were meh, but the problem was that I was trading with different assets and I made some changes in the indicator. Bottom line is starting of August. In August, we have an 8.13% accuracy. Then on September, we had a 9.29% profit increase, And this month we are at 4.54 risk, profit against the risk, which is absolutely a great number. If you check any other robot that has consistency and plus like protects the accounts the way the BLW Auto Trader does, it doesn't exist. Why? Because the BLW Auto Trader actually will place one trade per asset per day. If it's a loss, it's a loss. If it's a win, it's a win, but it's not going to continue trading during the day. That's it. Simple as that. When it comes to the BLW Auto Trader, these are the monthly results. Take a look at the actual numbers that we've been having throughout the last few months, last 3 months to be more specific. These are the results of the month. We can even go and take a look at the actual trades history. These are today's trades. Take a look. We are at $1,459 today. That's the only trade today. We had some trades with some of the pairs, but it was a mistake on my robot. But anyways, you get the point. right? So yeah, these are the results of the month. Now, before I continue with this video, I just want to give you a huge recommendation when it comes to prop firms. In case you are trading with a prop firm or you want to, then definitely go with Ola Prime. If by any chance you're not familiar with what is an prop firm, it's actually a way that you can buy a funded account. So instead of you trading, let's say with $500, if you actually buy a $100,000 account, then you can trade with $100,000. Once you actually pass a couple of challenges that they give you, then you can go ahead and trade with the entire balance, and you will be able to withdraw the profits up to 95% out of those balance. So instead of actually, let's say $500, you make a 10% profits, that's $50. But with a $100,000 account, you can make $10,000 in the same 10% and withdraw up to 95, which would be $9,500. The invitation is right there for the best one. It has 1 hour payouts. It has a transparency report that you can check so that you can compare the charts with them than, with the other people. And plus, they have the lowest pricing accounts that I've ever seen. The $5,000 prop firm starts with $48, as low as that. And if you use the promo code BLW15, you'll get a 15% off. So the invitation is right there. Go ahead and check it out right now. To Ola Prime, the link's in the description of this video. How does this robot actually work? And it's super important that you understand this, because even if I give it to you, you're not, if you don't use them properly, then you're just gonna end up losing money or not making money at all. So the first thing that you need to understand is that this indicator works only on MT4. Not MetaTrader 5 or not any other platform. It just works on MT4. Now, having said that, once you actually have your MT4 installed, what you need to do is just open two windows, which is US 30 and US 100, NASDAQ, USTEC, or whatever is it that it actually appears in your broker, but you gotta find that one. Once you actually do that, you're gonna select it in 15 minutes. Yep. 15 minutes, 1-5. That's it. Then you're gonna drag the indicator and put it there and just select the lot size. The lot size will depend on your specific balance. Okay, if your balance is $300, $500, then one lot is going to be the minimum and the maximum, I think, and depending on your account. For instance, myself, I'm trading with a $50,000 account and I'm trading with 15 lots. I'm actually going to increase that maybe next week. If I get to, I don't know, like 65 grand, I will increase it to like 18, 20 lots or something like that. But it really does depend on your account, on your account balance. Once you actually do that, you need to just activate the auto trader, and that's it. Doesn't matter if you're gonna have the auto trader activated during the entire day, because it's not gonna work. Why? Because the auto trader only works at certain times. Simple. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, or at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. Simple. Right? This is the actual website where you can download it. All you got to do is go to blwautotrader.com. I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video. By the way, you can get a 30% off if you use the promo code MONEY, all in caps, money, and you will be able to actually get a 30% off. Okay, then once you actually select the lot size, you activate the robot. That's it. If by any chance you're gonna be sleeping or you're not gonna be home at the time of the robot actually works, you can always get a VPS. It costs, I don't know, like $15 a month or something like that, and it will have the robot activated for you 24/7. But yeah, it will place trades Monday to Friday, the same time, and you can actually be alert and looking at the actual screen and closing the trades when you want to. For instance, today I actually closed the trade because I thought that the price might retract based on my analysis. But yeah, you can close the trades manually and so on. If you don't want to touch it, the robot will actually do the trailing stop and pretty much everything for you. So make sure that you understand these steps. Is actually quite simple. Now, Chris, why does it only trade these assets? Well, it only trades these assets because I believe these are the assets that are easier to trade with. Take a look at the trade that we had today. Today we had a 5-to-1, and this is the actual trade that the robot actually took, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, US 30 sell. And this is the trade that it actually took. This trade, NASDAQ, it didn't place any trade because it didn't find any opportunity. Does that make sense? So in the end, what's really important that you understand is that I'm looking for, or what I'm targeting with this specific robot is that we look only for the best opportunities, and it actually takes those opportunities. So that's exactly what the robot did. It's only going to be with those two assets in order to protect you. And one about the time, because if you notice during the time this morning, yesterday we had profitable trades. This is the actual chart. And today this is the same schedule than this. Nothing else happens most of the times during the rest of the day. So therefore the robot is just going to look for the best opportunities. That's the reason. Last but not least, Chris, how much money can I make? Well, it really does depend. Are you going to be using a prop firm? You're going to be trading with your real money. With real money, how much money you're going to be putting in? If you're going to be trading, let's say with a $100,000 account, then this would have been $8,000 here, $9,000 here, $4,000 this month. So we're talking about what? Instead of $11,000, which is what I made, you will be looking at a $22,000 in profits. If you're going to be trading, let's say with $1,000, then this would have been $80 and this would have been $90. This would have been $40. It's really up to you. $10,000, again, 800, 900, 400. So it really does depend on how much you're going to be making and how much you're going to be risking. Right now, I'm risking 1.5% per trade on every single trade. And that's the reason why I'm in this specific profit area, right? But you decide exactly how much you make. If you're going to be risking 1.5%, you can see that at least you're going to make like around 8 to 10% profits a month. You can risk more if it's a real account and you can make more money. As simple as that. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. And if you did, go ahead and smash the like button, support this YouTube channel. More importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below and I'll be glad to take a look at those comments as soon as I can. You can always email me in case you have any questions, Christian@blwonlinetrading.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.